Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to delete call history on Android, and this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone dialer. So I'm going to click on here. The next thing you need to do, let's say for instance, I want to clear call history of this particular contact right here. What we want to do here is to simply tap on this icon right here. So click on that, and it's going to take you right here. You can simply scroll down right here and see call logs right here. What you want to do here is to click on see more. And these are all your call history from this particular contact right here. Now, for you to delete or clear all this call history or call log, what you need to do is to click on clear right here. And this is going to pump up clear call log. Click on clear. And with that, no one will know if this particular contact actually have a conversation with you. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.